Hello everyone. Managing meeting rooms across multiple branches just got easier with a multi-branch meeting room module. Now you can assign branches to the meeting rooms and schedule meetings effortlessly. Need to find a meeting room? Simply filter by branch and managing bookings. Say goodbye to the scheduling confusion and enjoy a seamless booking experience. Try our multi-branch meeting module today and streamline your meetings like never before. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the settings. Now, let's get into the user first. And in this particular user, I have enabled a multi branches and also I have given a multi branch as a manager. And here in this preferences, I just given an access for all those branch which I have already created under an user and companies where we can create a branches. Okay. Now, in this user, we have set up everything like all the branches we have set up, and we have given an access rights for the room, and also we have given an access rights for the manager. Now, let's check the flow. After installing this module, let's get into the meeting room where you can see a list of bookings. Now, let's enable for all the branches. Okay. So over here you can see we have enabled all the branches, so we can see all the branch related bookings can be seen here. Before creating a booking, we need a room. So for creating a room, we need to just click on the rooms where. So here in this, you can see all the rooms which are already created. Now let's get into the list view. So here in this, you can see rooms based on the branch wise. Okay. Now for creating the room, we can add a name, everything, every details about the room, and also in this we can add a branch. Now let's get into the booking. So here in this you can see we have an access for all. Let's remove the access from here. We have only access for gold gate. Okay. So if it is in only access for this branch, you can see that it will show only in golden gate related bookings alone. And if I get into the room, you can see the same over here, which is related to a branch, the specific branch which we have selected. Okay. Now let's create a booking by using this. So here in this we need to add a booking name, room, everything. Let's add a room, and in this let's add a client meet. Okay, client meeting room. So we have created one and let's create a new. Okay, so let's create for the next date. Okay, let's check whether it is available or not. Let's click on the apply, save and close. Yes, it's saved. Now you can see that the client meeting room will be created and you can see the branches over here. Okay, so in case if I need to see for a Twin Peaks, so I can enable that and you can see the branch. So filtering out based on the branch is hard to find here. So we can have a filter or a group by options to filter those. You can see there are three bookings for Twin Peaks and also there are four bookings for in Golden Gate. So this is how we can easily filter out based on the branch wise, and this is how all about our module. So if you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more audio related updates. Thanks for watching.